Can you find this integral? In this problem, we're being asked to find the integral of 1 over the square root of 8x minus x squared with respect to x. To do so, I'm going to want to transform this integrand into a form that I know how to integrate. So I'll start out by rewriting 8x minus x squared as negative x squared plus 8x, so I have this in descending order. Then I'll go ahead and factor out a negative 1 from both terms. And now I complete the square, which requires me to take my b value, divide it by 2, negative 4, and then square it 16. I'm going to go ahead and add 16 here, which means I really subtracted 16, so now I need to add a 16 over here to balance that out. And finally, rewriting our x squared minus 8x plus 16 as our perfect square, we get negative x minus 4 squared plus 16. And then to make things a little bit easier, I'm just going to rearrange my terms again to put the 16 in front so that the integrand fits a certain form once I plug in. Now coming back to our integral, we're going to go ahead and replace the 8x minus x squared with its equivalent expression that we got after we completed the square, and then we should recognize that this integral fits our arcsine form. That rule tells us that the integral of 1 over the square root of a squared minus u squared with respect to u is equal to arcsine or sine inverse of u over a plus some constant c. So we get arcsine or sine inverse of x minus 4 over 4 plus c. Now one thing I'll say is that this integral could be found doing a trig substitution, but it's a lot easier if we have this memorization rule down. That way we can directly go to this arcsine form without having to do all of the extra work.